Hi, it's Stacy at Wayside Garage with Jonathan.
Hi.
And we actually have this 2016 Toyota Highlander that is here for service. We actually brought it in for a 70,000 mile service. I know we did an oil and filter service with using the BG product. Super important to use BG products, along with a tune-up. And one of the biggest things that I wanted to have Jonathan here to talk about is the transmission service and why it's important to make sure that your transmission is serviced. So Jonathan, why is it important to service my transmission?
Well, this one specifically, it had a little bit of a pan gasket leak, which is good that we caught it early, you know. I mean, that's part of the service, is just bringing it in every 6 months so we can take a look at it, and we're going to sample the fluid. But majority of the time, I would think a transmission service is either updates, some sort of recalibration, or a fluid exchange, drain infill. It really depends. There's lots of different types of transmissions, but the majority of it is some sort of fluid service, including a filter or a screen.
So I know that the transmission service, I know some people will say that they're pricey, but
lifetime fluid.
Right. So to replace the transmission, I know that you're looking at easily, I'm going to be conservative and say around $5,000. I've seen them go up to about $12,000.
As long as it doesn't damage something else also on top of it.
So, and that is true.
Yeah.
But the reality of it is a transmission service is minuscule in comparison to that. One of the things that I know we suggest doing a transmission service every 3 years or every 36,000 miles.
Regardless of what they say. Yes. Regardless, no lifetime fluid.
So reason being, and I know we have had this conversation, is for what you will pay, you can have 10 transmission services done over the life of your vehicle and still spend less than what it would cost to replace it. So here at Wayside Garage, it is extremely important for us to make sure that you are able to get the longevity out of your vehicle. We know that the car is an investment, and the longer that it lasts for you, the better. So give us a call at Wayside Garage. I have ASE certified technicians like Jonathan here that are happy to make sure that your vehicle is running in great shape and you're able to use it for a long period of time. Jonathan, how often should we have people come in for an inspection?
Every 6 months.
Every 6 months. And we recommend...
Regardless of mileage.
Regardless of mileage, at least for the inspection. We do suggest doing an oil and filter service anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 miles. All depends on your driving habits. And we at Wayside Garage have put together a maintenance plan that is available to you. Just give us a call, 831-899-2425, and talk to one of our advisors. They're happy to go over it. The other thing is, go to our website, www.waysidegarage.com. There are app specials, and we also have a subscription program for you if you're interested. So, oh, one more thing. Don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.